Hi, love Dr. Nikki from ORANUM here. Thanks so much for coming by. I hope you'll enjoy this video. This is a video I've made at the request of several people. It is a video of playing my heart chakra bowl. This is a heart chakra bowl. It's in the key of G from Nepal. And your participation in this is nice and passive. You just need to sit back and listen. A lot of people have different reactions when they hear the chakra bowl. Some people say it infuses them with a sense of peace. Some people say it makes their chest area feel warm, or they feel a soft softening or a calming within their emotional nerves in their chest. So I hope you enjoy the singing chakra bowl. Isn't that awesome? I just absolutely love it. I'm Love Dr. Nikki from ORANUM.com. I hope you've enjoyed a nice little break and listened to the chakra bowl. And I hope you'll check out my upcoming series, A Walk Through the Chakras. Have a great day. Bye-bye.